Good afternoon. This is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on today's forecast. We're continuing to track an upper level storm system as it makes its way through the eastern portions of the country this afternoon, of course, causing a lot of mess out there. We've got everything from severe storms down in the south to rainfall extending up the eastern U.S. and, of course, transitioning as we work our way further to the north into freezing rain, sleet, and snow. So quite a messy situation out there this afternoon for everyone from the Gulf Coast all the way up into the Northeast, and we're continuing to see plenty of activity into the West Coast as well as we see a steady stream of moisture out in this area of the country with multiple storm systems still set to impact the coast over the next few days. So a closer look at exactly what's going on this afternoon. Of course, that frontal boundary draped across the eastern half of the country and that feeding moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, all of that combines to really get showers and thunderstorms going, especially down into the southeast. So for the rest of tonight, we are going to look for the possibility of severe weather making its way through portions of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, even the Florida Panhandle as well. And this is, again, because of that storm system that is making its way on through. So really what we're looking for here is the possibility of some damaging hail, damaging winds, very heavy rainfall, and we can't rule out tornadic activity as well. In fact, we've already seen some of that today throughout portions of Louisiana. So definitely a scary situation out there, and make sure that you are paying close attention to your weather forecast for the rest of today. Of course, as we make our way into the Northeast, we're seeing that rainfall transition into freezing rain, sleet, and snow, making things very, very slippery out there this afternoon and this evening. So please keep in mind, if you live in this area of the country and you're heading home from work or school a little bit later on, it's going to be quite a messy commute for the rest of today. Here's a look at what to expect for the rest of tonight, and notice we'll continue to see some scattered activity for the western U.S., but of course the main focus will be the thunderstorms in store for the southeast through this evening and into the overnight hours tonight. Now notice this is a pretty large swath of thunderstorms that will be making its way through the southeast. Places like Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, the Florida Panhandle all could see some of that severe weather for a little bit later on. So again, we're looking for the possibility of hail, high winds, tornadic activity, and of course locally very heavy rainfall as well. And all the way up this line, this frontal boundary, as we continue up into the Northeast, we're going to continue to see that activity there as well. Of course, this rainfall transitioning over into that more wintry mix, including snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So please, everybody on the East Coast and down into the southeastern U.S., be sure to be very, very careful on those roadways this afternoon and this evening, and even heading into tomorrow morning, be careful and make sure you're checking road conditions, especially where it could be icy up into the Northeast. As always, you can receive more of your weather information on our Facebook page as well as Twitter and metloop.com. Thank you for watching this afternoon. Please stay safe and have a great day.